Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to create MDI. When you're creating multiple forms in your VB projects, you can execute only one form at a time. If you want to execute multiple documents at a time and see the result or output in a single screen of all the forms, you can use it MDI. MDI means multiple document interface. The concept behind this MDI is it acts as a parent for all the forms you have placed in your project. It will shows all the outputs with the help of MDI linking. So all the forms are the child for the MDI. Now we'll start programming for this MDI. Just open your standard.exe and open it. To demonstrate MDI use, I'm going to use two forms. This is my first form. I'll change the font size. I want to add one more form. So if I want to add one more form, so this is my project explorer window. So just right click on this and add form. So this is my second form I had added. Now I'll change the font size of for this also. Okay. Now we have to enable MDI child for this both the forms. So click on this form 1. Just go to the property and there will be MDI child option. Here you can see it. I'll turn it to true. Likewise for MD2 also, form 2 also I'll change it to true. Now I had enabled. Now go to the form project explorer window and right click it. There is a add option MDI form. Just add it. This is your MDI form. Now we have to create a menus like this. So if you click on this, there is a sub menu. It should show. If you click one second, I'll show another one. If you click on this table, there is a one more sub menu, right? Like this, we are going to create it. So this is my MJ menu. I'll go to the form and just right click it, menu editor. Now we'll add the menus, file and name mn file. So while giving the name of the file, you have to aware that you should not give any space and special characters. For this, I'm going to create a submenu. For submenu, I'll click this arrow. So there is a 4 dots. Just go to the caption. Here I'm going to do two submenus. One is new and the name is, I'll give us mn new. Next, open. So next submenu is open. mn open. Next, now I'm going to create a main menu which will come after file, that is format, and name mn format. And again press next, give the right arrow for submenus and the name, font, name I'll give as font, mn font, and press next. Under this font I'm going to have a 4 submenus. So again press right click and go to caption and type Arial. These are the style of my fonts. mn Arial. Next, impact, mn impact. Next, Garamond, the name mn Garamond. Next, the one more last one, Lucida. The name, sorry, MN Lucida. Press next. Now I'm going to create a submenu after font. So press left arrow. There is a 4 dots. If it 8 dots means it is submenu of the previous 4 dotted menu. And 4 dot means it's a submenu to the main menu, that is without dots. So I'll give caption as regular. So name MN regular. I'll press next and bold. Appearance of my phone. MN bold. Next, I'll give italic. So italic, the name is MN italic. Next, we'll do the main menu. For that, left arrow. There is no dotted. So now go to the caption and type exit. And the name MN exit. So you should make sure that when there is a 4 dotted means it acts as a submenu to the previous without dotted menu. And if it is 8 dots means it acts as submenu to the previous 4 dotted menu. So we'll give OK. So now here you can see that 3 menus created. So if I press this, there is a 2 submenu. If I press format, there is 4 submenu. If I press font, there is again 4 submenus. And if I press exit, there is no submenu at all. So we'll do coding for this MD. So this exit. So I'll give unload me and go to selection and double click on this fold. Bold means the form to content dot text one. What are the text stored in the form to? We are making it to bold. So font bold equals to make it true. Enter. Now we'll do for the one more. Exit is over. File don't want. For font also not there. For garment, form2 dot text1 dot font name equals to in string give Garamond. This font name should be similar to whatever you're choosing here. In the form, you'll be choosing font size and style, right? That same name you have to give, or else it will throw an error, or else it will not change your text. So for impact, form to text1 dot font name equals to impact. Again select italic form2 dot text1 dot text dot font italic. Sorry. Yeah, font italic equals to make it true. Again select now Lucida form2 dot text1 dot sorry txt here should not come. And your type font name equals to in quotation Lucida handwriting. Again go to here and select it new. When you open new, your form 1 should display. So form1 dot show. And for open, form 2 should display. So form2 dot show. And go to regular here form to dot your text box dot font bold, make it false. If you make font bold false and italic false means automatically it will assign to regular dot font italic false. So these are the coding for this MDI form. If you left anything, let's check it. Arial, yeah, we have to do for Arial. Form 2 dot lets1 dot font name equals to give Arial, and bold we did. Exit also okay. Format, grammar, impact, italic, visible, new, open, and regular. Now we had did everything. So we'll see the explanation of this coding. So if you give Arial font to me, so what text to in your text box, change it to Arial size normal size. And form to dot text bold means whatever the content is in your box, it will change to bolded, that is darkened color it will come to. And if you press exit, it will come out of window. And this garment is a style of your form like garment and impact and font italic. If you want to change it to the italicized form, you can give it true. Likewise, these are the font styles you can have it. And for open and new, we had given the code in that form1 dot show means as soon as you click on this new menu, it will show your form 1, and if you click on this open menu, it will show your form 2. So now we'll design form 1. So this is my form 1. I'll place one text box. So just drag it and we'll place two commands, command 1, command 2. For text property, I'll just erase the text. I'm not going to change the name. And for command 1, I'll change the name and give as save. For caption, I'll give ampersand save. So for second command, I'll give the caption as exit and name also exit. So this is our first form. We need to place one control box to that is used for coding, that we have to open our file explorer and all. For that purpose, we are using that common dialog control. So this will not available in your default text box. Just right click on your default text box and you will get this window and select Microsoft Common Dialog Control 6.0 and press apply. There is one more control placed in your text box. Just close it and double click on this and place it here. As it will not appear in your output screen, you can place it wherever you want it. Now we'll do for form 2. Likewise, same, place one text box, two command and one control. That is dialog control. Same like I erase the content of my text box. Just erased. And two command buttons. This is my first command. I'll name it as open. And the caption I'll give as ampersand open. So we can drag this And for the second command, I will give as the caption exit, and for name exit. Now we'll place one common dialog box. So you can place it wherever it is. Now we'll code for form 1. Just double click on the save button. We'll type code for this saving. We should declare a variable type file location as string. Enter. If there's a condition text1.text is not equals to empty, then enter common dialog 1 dot show save. It will show your file explorer screen to save and create a file for your content. So file location equals to com dialog 1 dot your file name. Enter. If file location file loc is not equals to empty, then enter open file location for append. Yeah, append as address is 1. Hash address is a file name of your, address of your file. So now we'll print the content in this address, that is of file, comma text1.txt. Now close your address, that is file address hash1. Enter. You have to end your this if condition, that is end if. Now enter. If suppose this condition fails, we have to place a else, that is a message box showing file name not specified, therefore the file cannot be saved. Cannot be saved. Just close the quotation and end your second if condition, that is the first if condition. And just click here and select the exit. This is also clickable, and unload me. So this is a code for first form. We'll code for the second form. Just double click on the second and double click on this open. Again declare a dim file location as string. Enter common dialog 1 dot show open. It will show your opening file explorer window, and enter your file location equals to common dialog dot file name, dialog 1 dot your file name. Enter. If my file look is not equals to empty, then enter open file location for input as the address of your file, that is hash1. Do condition until my end of file becomes true. This operation carried out. Input hash1 comma your data, enter it, that is storing in text box 1 equals to your txt1 dot text plus your data plus vb new line. Enter. I'm closing the loop with a loop keyword. and I'm closing this address of my file and else enter msg box. It will be no file name selected and your condition, and this is a code for this. Now we'll select for exit. We unload me. So here we are assign means we'll see the first form coding. After that we'll come to this. So see here, this is a save click event. So here we are declaring a file location as a string, and if our text box is our box, if it is filled with some letter, so if my text box not equals to empty, here I have a wording, it is not empty, my condition is true. It goes in common dialog one, means a common dialog box is to perform some internal action, to save, to print, to open my folder, to open my file, to change my font size or a color. For that purpose we are using that common dialog box. So dot shows save. So as soon as a statement, you go to the file explorer and open a file, means where you're typing your path names and all, that will be displayed here after typing the file location. This, this screen event, here we have to give a file name, the type of file stored. It will be like here, this select or open or save, this cancel, this will be appear in your file window, I mean file explorer window. So whatever name you have given the file name, it gets stored to the file location. And if the file location is not empty, we did not give empty, we have given some value. So if condition is satisfied, open file location. If you open a file location, this is your file. Okay, assume this is your file. And as ash1. Ash1 is given as an address to your file. So in the file name will be stored like ash1, ash2, ash3, as so on. So and means at the end of some file is stored here means at the end it will store. So print ash1 text1. So whatever I type here, it is stored at the end of this file. Now I am closing this address and end if. I am just ending if condition. If that is failed here, if my text box is empty, I did not get any value in this, it will not perform this statement. It will go here and it will pop a message that file not specified, that file cannot be saved. So this is the form 1 coding. We'll see the forms 2 coding. So this is my form 2 coding. This open is a click event, same like it will come out from this. If click on this open, so again we are declaring a file location. This common dialog box is to use to open your saved file. It will again show this and button, that is for open and this is for cancelling. File location equals to common dialog box dot file name. Whatever file name here I selected, here, it gets to my file location. If my file location is not empty, so it is not empty, right? So then it starts with this coding. File location for input as ash1. So my file address I had given before only, it is ash1. So it will look for the ash1 file and what are the content is there, that will be printed in this thing. So I'm doing condition do until my end of file becomes true. Until my end of my, as far as my control is my end of file becomes true, I'll keep printing my data and storing it to my text box 1. Text box 1 data plus it moves to the new line after printing all. So after printing all the statements in my I'm closing my loop condition. Here again I'm closing my file address. So I closed. If suppose here condition becomes fail, I did not give any name in my file, means in open file option. So it will not execute the statement. It moves to this message box and pop up a message, no file name selected. So this is the coding behind this form 2. Now we'll start executing it. Just click on this start button. So I clicked. This is your output screen. As soon as you are run, by default your form 1 will be shown here. So I'll just exit it and file 1, I'll click new. So here you can type your word, whatever you want to type it. Hello, welcome to my channel. So I had typed here. Now I'm going to save it. Save. There is a saving screen, that is file explorer screen is came. Now here I will give us UYT. So I'll give save. Now we have to open it. So I'll just exit it. Now I'll go to open. I'll click on this open. I'll select UYT. Just open. Hello, welcome to my channel. Whatever I saved before, that is got opened here. Now I'll change the format of this. Font Arial. This is style of Arial. Impact. This is impact style. This is a Garaman style. And this is Lucida handwriting style. Now if I give regular, method or a data member not found. 1 second, we'll check this. Sorry, italic spelling is wrong. You have to give it properly. Italic. So I'll execute it once again. Break. I'll execute. So we'll open our file. Open. Whatever I saved before, that is UYT. Open it. Now we'll change the format. That is regular, right? This is my regular. And if I give bold, my text become bold. And if I give italic, it is italicized. So we'll check the other conditions too, whatever we condition specified here. So we should give exit. Now again execute it. See here, I'll give save. There is no text. The file name not specified. The file cannot be saved because no text is present in this, so it will not create a file. Now exit it. I'll open. Open. I'll give open. I'm not selecting any file name here. Just I'll give cancel. So no file name is selected. So both the condition is working. I'll give exit. I hope this MDI creation is understood and the codings I had explained very well. I hope it will be understood that by you. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more updates and keep connected. Press the like icon and share to your friends so that it will be useful for them also. And if you have any doubts and any queries, if you want to ask anything, you just comment in my comment section so that I can understand your needs and I can put more videos as per your requirement. And once again, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.